Hi everyone, I'm Mike from Excel Distance Calculators, where we specialize in creating useful and versatile Excel tools designed to make your life easier. For over 16 years, we've been helping businesses automate their day-to-day operations, saving time, cutting costs, and reducing errors. Every week, we hear from customers sharing how our tools have transformed the way they work. Those success stories inspire us to keep innovating and building tools that make a real difference. With over 7,500 happy customers, ranging from small and medium businesses to large corporations, and 120 plus 5-star Google reviews showcasing their satisfaction with our tools and services, we're proud to help businesses of all sizes improve their processes. Today, I'm excited to introduce our Reimbursement Calculator for Travel, a powerful Excel-based tool that makes tracking travel mileage and calculating reimbursement fast and accurate. Whether you're reimbursing employees or managing your own travel expenses, this tool will save you time and effort. Let me show you how it works. First, let's set up the tool. To start using the Reimbursement Calculator for Travel, you'll need a Google Maps API key. Don't worry, it's easy to set up, and we've included a step-by-step guide in the video. You'll have it ready in just a few minutes. Here are some of the customization options. Per mile reimbursement rate. For example, you can set it to $1.15 per mile. Non-reimbursable distance. If you want to exclude the first few miles, example, the first 3 miles, you can do that too. Toll road preference. Choose whether or not to avoid toll roads. Units. Select between miles and kilometers. Once you've configured the settings, input the following details. Trip date and trip purpose are optional fields, and you can rename these columns as needed. From and to addresses. These are required for calculating distances. The Reimbursement Calculator for Travel uses Google Maps to calculate the driving distance between the 2 addresses. Note that complete addresses are ideal for accuracy. Once you've done all that, just click the Calculate button and you'll instantly generate the total distance for each trip, the reimbursable distances after excluding non-reimbursable 3 miles, and the total reimbursement amounts based on your rate. It's that simple. This Reimbursement Calculator for Travel is perfect for businesses and individuals alike. For businesses, this tool can help streamline employee travel reimbursements and maintain accurate records. For freelancers, this will help easily track your mileage for client billing. And for individuals, this tool will help manage personal travel expenses efficiently. You can download the tool using the link in the description. If you have any questions or need customizations, our contact details are provided there as well. And yes, we respond to emails. When you call, you'll be speaking directly with Vinny, the mastermind behind Excel Distance Calculators. You can also chat with him via live chat on our website. No bots involved. If needed, he'll be happy to hop on a Zoom call or screen share to walk you through setting up the tool. Thanks so much for watching. I hope the Reimbursement Calculator for Travel or any of our other tools can make your life a little easier. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tools and updates. See you next time, and happy calculating.